And welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video you get notified, and also like my video if you find it useful. So today we are going to review the selfie stick tripod for smartphone, Gwen branded, and it comes with a remote control which uses Bluetooth version 3.0. Let's just check what is inside this box. So this is the tripod. And it has 3 legs on the sides and 1 at the center. So this is where you insert your phone, your smartphone. Yeah. And this is the remote control. Let me just remove it. Now let me insert this phone. Let me just insert it facing you guys so that you can be able to see. And this is how you can record. First of all, you insert it in. So and then you open your camera app, which is here. So depending on what you want to do, whether you want to take a phone or a photo or a video, so you switch the mode. For example, if I want to take a video, I click the video button. But first of all, you need to connect the remote via Bluetooth. So you switch on the Bluetooth. I should have actually done that before. You switch on the Bluetooth. Go to settings. And then connect to the Bluetooth. It is called actually Region 2. And mine is now connected. So once you've connected, go to your camera app. Whether if you want to take a picture or a photo, just choose that option, photo option, and once you just click the remote once and it will take a picture or a photo. For the case of video, you need to switch to video mode, and then you just click and to start recording, and to stop you click again the remote button. So that is how to use the Gwen tripod stand. And of course this is not the maximum height, the height is adjustable. Yeah, so that is now the maximum height. So that is it, guys, about the Gwen tripod stand for smartphone, which can be very helpful in recording video and even taking selfie pictures. Thanks guys, subscribe, I'll catch you in the next one.